再来关心美中贸易谈判结束了，双方伫未来90天内两边拢要降135%的关税。美国针对中国商品的进口关税是对145%，暂时要降到30%。中国针对美国进口的商品关税是对125%，降到10%哦。另外，美国总统川普嘛讲，这礼拜有可能会甲中国国家主席习近平来通电话。另外，针对价值800块美金以下的电商包裹，税率嘛对120%要降到54%。针对中国出口管制的系统，路透社的分析嘛指出讲，中国应该无啥可能完全来取消出口的限制。
美国甲中国的关税战暂时休兵，双方同意伫未来90日内各自降低115%关税，等候激烈的贸易战，搁提振全球市场。美国总统川普昨日也表示，可能会伫这礼拜六甲中国国家主席习近平通话。
China was being hurt very badly. They were closing up factories. They were having a lot of unrest. And they were very happy to be able to do something with us. And the relationship is very, very good. I'll speak to President Xi maybe at the end of the week. We have some other things we're doing.
虽然投资人对这个举动表示欢迎，华尔街股市起美金行悬，不过企业煞搁较丢毒，因为伊要找找搁较明确的答案。分析师认为90日暂缓期犹原充满无确定性，而且美国消费者也烦恼成本相关的问题。
This is partly undoing self-inflicted damage. I mean, there was no reason to put 145% tariff on China. And so, yes, it's wonderful that he's moving off of that. World stock markets are booming, but this is retreating from a fight that he should have never gotten into in the first place.
这份美中贸易联合声明并无提到小价包裹限制问题。川普政府设立终止为中国甲香港定价值800块美金以下包裹输入美国享有免关税的小额豁免政策。上新消息是，川普签署行政命令，将税率为120%调降到54%，比当时间14半暝啊翻点了后，禁止美国的小额包裹适用。另外，中国管制实施出口管制的7项中档系统，原本需要45日申请流程，可能在未来几礼拜内就会出现合法结果。虽然川普暗示中国会暂停搁取消所有非关税反制措施，也不过专家分析，中国全面取消对美国系统管制纪律增加。公司新闻陈伟仁编译。